Omo, as episode 7 start, Hostel don turn different level. Bolu Essien just dey everywhere, energy full ground. E dey move right say she get secret wey fit burst anytime. Eva Ibiam dey try act calm, but chai, you fit see small wahala dey flash for her eye like she dey plan something. Onyinye Odokoro, she just dey sharp, dey calculate every step. You sabi say any small mistake fit shake the whole hostel. And Darasimi Ogbetah, she dey observe, dey wait make everybody show their true color before she jump in. The way she dey quiet dey scary small. The vibes just dey full. Small fight, small laugh, small clap, small stare, everything dey combine. Trust dey wobble, friendship dey test, and even joke fit turn gbege. Every movement dey matter. One slip, one glance fit make drama blow. Chai, the end scene hits different. You go dey reason, na so hostel be. Small secrets dey, small wahala dey, and one wrong step fit scatter everything. Na tension, na energy, na excitement, all together.